Hello there! Thanks very much for deciding to watch this video. I'm glad you did because I'll be showing you the steps I took to create this artwork. It's got gold leaf and acrylic paint and it was a lot of fun to create. I don't know what category it falls into, but that doesn't matter. Before I get started though, if you love art and you're not there now, then come over to Marte.net because we've got lots more art lessons. We also have our Facebook attached to that and our Creative Connection. If you subscribe to our Creative Connection, you get lots of hints, tips and other great stuff. So let's get into it and create. Well, this drawing looks fantastic and I'm getting really excited because I'm about to embark on my favourite part of any painting, applying the gold leaf. But to apply our gold leaf, we first must apply leafing size. Now, leafing size is just a special glue for leafing. Now, one thing that can make this a little bit harder is it's clear, so you don't know where you've put it. So I like to add a little bit of colour, in this case burnt sienna, into my size. So let's get it on. Well, the coat is dry, now ready for us to apply our gold leaf at last. I can tell this because if I press my finger on it very lightly and pull away, it sticks to my finger. The gold leaf is very easy to put on. You just do it like this. Then, with a soft brush, gently rub away any parts of gold leaf that haven't adhered. Time now to add our colour. And for paint, I'm using the Mont acrylic paint in the 12 pack. And regarding what colour to put where, if you refer to the second image in the PDF that you can only download from www.montmarte.net, you'll see this little image. And it has all of the colours that I've used to paint my birdies, as well as the order in which to place them. So let's get this colour on. Once the initial beige has been laid in, I just mix in some crimson into that mix and lay it in onto the left side of each leaf. colouring done for the leaves and branches. I've laid a little bit of red into the bird also. It's going to be covered, but a little bit of it will shine through and it'll tie it in to the red on the vegetation. That vegetation also needs some black, but we'll save that for the last step when we put the black on our birds. If you refer to the PDF, you will see which colour to lay into the bird and what order. So let's get this colour into our birds. Well, this is coming along really nicely, and I think that's it for the colours. I don't want to overdo it. Time now for our white. If you refer to the PDF again, it'll show you just where to do it. So let's get this white on. Time now for the black. This should bring it all together. Bear in mind though that black is a very, very strong tone and can change your initial idea drastically. So treat it with a little bit of respect. If you refer to the first image in the printout and faithfully reproduce these lines, you can't go wrong. So let's get this black on. Hope that you enjoyed that. I had a ton of fun creating it, and gold leaf is really awesome, so I hope you give it a go. Thanks again for watching, and remember to keep on painting.